and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. With the COVID-19 pandemic going on right now, I figured I would come on here and show you guys how you can easily sanitize your scrubs. I know that a lot of you who follow me work in healthcare just like I do, and figured a ton of you guys would find this video useful. Something you guys may not know is that regular detergent doesn't kill everything, and that sometimes you need to use a stronger product. To do this, I have been using the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. So let's get started so I can show you guys how to sanitize your scrubs. The first thing I do is start by adding a laundry detergent pod to the drum of the washing machine. I personally really like using the Gain Flings because I like the way they smell and they don't irritate my skin. Then I'm going to go ahead and throw all of my scrubs into the washing machine. Next, to add the sanitizer, I open the detergent tray and add the sanitizer to the fabric softener compartment so that it is released during the rinse cycle. After closing the drawer, I'm just going to go ahead and close the lid to the washing machine and adjust the settings for the cycle. The settings I use are a regular cycle with the water temperature set to cold, and then I'm going to go ahead and press start. So that is an easy way for you guys to sanitize your scrubs. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any other healthcare related videos you guys would like to see here on my channel, be sure to let me know what they are in the comment section and I will try to get to them. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new content regularly. Also be sure to hit the bell so you are notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!